This is Brittany with WTI, and this is my favorite ride or die lip balm. It is the LANEIGE Glowy Lip Balm. Oh, this is the gummy bear flavor, which it is just so glorious. It's thick, but like the perfect amount of thickness without being goopy or anything like that. Ugh, and it just gives you the perfect shine and gloss and moisture and hydration. The scent, I love the gummy bear. The gummy bear is one of my favorites. It's a little grapey, but with a little berry bit thrown in. Oh, but overall grapey, as you can see from like the purple. It is so good. My absolute favorite. It hydrates so well, but like I said, without the sticky, the scent is so wonderful. It does not have a taste, which I also love because it grosses me out so much if I can taste it. Does not have a taste, but instead just such a yummy scent. Absolutely obsessed with this. It goes with me in every bag or pocket, and that's my point of view.